Online store is a great opportunity to sell physical and digital products at fixed prices. Besides, you can decide where on the website the products will be placed. In this video we'll show how to add products and launch your own online store. If you need multiple websites with different products, you'll need to create multiple stores. Open the settings of the website where you'd like to sell products. Navigate to the product section and click Add. Add your first product, its image, name, price and description. Below, you can tick the checkbox if the product is currently available. Continue to add all the products you want to sell by clicking on the Add button. Now, these products are visible to you, but not your site visitors. Let's add them to your actual website. Open the site editor and scroll down to the place where you'd like to add a product. Click on the bigger plus sign to open the blocks library. Navigate to the store section. Add the block from here. The product card is there, and now make sure to select a product to display. For that, open the settings of the element in the top left corner and select the item in the drop-down. Repeat this action for all product cards. If you need more cards, simply click on the plus button here. To delete card, click on the three dots. Once the product card is set up, you can rename the button and publish your website for the changes to take effect. Now let's see the order flow from the point of view of your customer. Open the live site and locate the product. Tap on the product image to see more info about the selected item. Click on the button to order this product. A shopping cart will appear. You can proceed to the order right away or continue shopping. If you continue shopping, the cart will always be there on the website. Once ready to check out, click the shopping cart and enter your details. Click to complete the order. Now you as the store owner will receive a notification about the new order in your email. To manage this order, open the website settings and click on the orders. This is where you will see client information. Use it to get in touch with him or her. Click on Edit to add more comments. For better order tracking and clear view of your business performance, change order status while you keep processing it.